My name is Nadine Moon and I'm with Who Made the Cake. I got into cakes because of my love of art. It really is the hobby that just gradually took over my life. My art expresses itself through the cakes. So I really enjoy seeing people's vision and making it come to life. Who Made the Cake is known as one of Houston's premier custom cake shops. We create exquisite confections that taste even better than they look. Everyone has seen our Cinderella carriage wedding cake that went viral, but people are surprised to know we make cakes for every budget, so small and large. Who Made the Cake makes cakes that are for weddings, for groom's cakes, quinceañeras. Every creation is made especially for your event, so you come in and meet with me as the owner to design and create something special and perfect just for your big day. So creating the design is something that I really love. My background is art, so I choose to meet with every one of my clients that comes in. So you will do the tasting with me, we'll pick out elements of cakes or your dress or invitations and things you like, and then I'll sketch it out for you and you can see how it's going to look all together. I absolutely love working with the Bell Tower because the staff is absolutely professional, everything is so well organized, and the venue is exquisite. There's few places in Houston that you walk in and there's just an incredible atmosphere without even bringing in the flowers or everything else yet. So you're purchasing not just a space, but really a whole environment that's going to make your wedding special. I think one of the things that absolutely sets the Bell Tower apart from other venues is the incredible space. There are different rooms, so you can gradually move from one area to another. They have an incredible water wall and a chapel, so you can have the ceremony at the same location. And there's not many places that you can do that right in the central area of Houston. And then their staff, they have dedicated planners that are going to work with their brides, and they do an incredible job of managing everything, contacting the vendors, orchestrating what time we set up, and making sure that everything runs perfectly smoothly for the client. I would absolutely recommend working with the Bell Tower to other vendors because they are so professional. They make it easy to work with the venue, and you know that they are taking care of your client. And what more could you ask of a venue? The Bell Tower on 34th makes it easy.